Hold on. Oh yeah. So it is now October 10th or 11th? 10th. And the LittaTrap, which was installed before, has yet to be cleaned. Oh, she closed it. Yeah, you should have grabbed it higher up. Maybe not so low down, because then you can't get your axe out. So I'm here with the lovely co-op students, Katie and Andrew, and they're going to attempt to lift it prior to trying to remove stuff. To avoid strain on backs, we are using pickaxes to get in the loops. 1. So scale 1 to 10, how bad is it?
It's not that bad.
Probably like a 7.
A 7 out of 10 for weight. So. Oh, I think I'm gonna be sick.
Not bad.
It's 2 people.
It's really not that heavy.
Okay, can you get it over to the garbage pile?
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Well, this time you might be able to use your hands.
Yeah.
It was just to lift it up and out.
I don't know if I can like lift it all the way up into that garbage. But...
You ready?
1, 2.
Oh yeah, that's easy.
We're good? Oh, that's nasty. That's like a lot of sand, eh?
Yeah. Do you put in this pile here?
Until future reference, yeah. Until someone tells us otherwise.
Okay.
Okay, I guess we just tip it up and
I guess.
I don't know.
Dump it upside down.
Okay, ready?
Oh, look, there's little
Oh wow,
loops
that's
too.
handy.
Oh wow, these guys know what they're doing.
Little loops. Move your hands, give her a shake. Oh, that is the nastiest thing I've ever seen.
That stinks.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we can
It's
knock it
not
against the
out
wall.
yet.
Well, be careful. No. Oh, it fell. Wall. Give her a good little, nice little tap. Flip it upside down.
Wow.
Flip it out the other way around, rather.
Other way. Good.
Now do the same thing. See all the stuff on the outside? We're gonna see if we can knock that out. So this is all that was contained. I don't know what made it through. Oh, that does stink. All right.